guys, welcome to another episode of my video. So today let's talk about how to grow your YouTube channel. Yes, no. Let's talk about my 8 weeks experience as a YouTuber. Yes, we are going to talk about that. But before we dive into that, first of all, Happy New Year everyone. Happy New Year. How are you enjoying the New Year celebration? So today is New Year. I'm in Nigeria here, and I want to share with you guys my 8 weeks experience as a YouTuber. Yes, apparently I started my YouTube channel, my YouTube journey around earlier November. Yes, around first week of November. That was when I started my YouTube journey, and my 8 weeks experience as a YouTuber. I won't say it has been great. I won't say it has been awesome, but I thank God for me starting this YouTube journey. Yes, I thank God for me deciding that I'm going to do this. Yeah, the decision is what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for that I decided to become a YouTuber, and I share tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched any of my video yet, please do well to watch my video. Then let's talk about my experience. Okay, guys, I have during these 8 weeks, yeah, I started my first post. I've deleted that post actually. Yes, my first post that I made on this YouTube. Yeah, because there was a time I came I stumbled upon a video, yeah, that a YouTuber made, that if you want to go viral on this YouTube space, that was my first video that actually worked on this YouTube space. So on that video, the YouTuber was advising us as a young YouTuber, yeah, as a creator that just started new and you want to grow your YouTube channel, you want to get views and get subscribers fast. That's me, yes, that's what I want. I want to get views and subscribers. What are we here for? That's what I'm here for, right? So I took the advice. She said we should go to Instagram, you look for a trendy video, copy the video, upload it in your own channel, then boom, you start getting views and subscribers. I said, yeah, is that how it works here? Then let's do it. So I did as she said, and she said you can upload, just be uploading videos, you can upload as many as you want. Yeah, and I took that advice. Do you know what? Guess what? I Within a space of 2 days, I uploaded 20 videos, 20 20 YouTube shorts. Yeah, and that videos, none of them got to 5 views. Yeah, none of them. I don't know if I did it right or if I did it wrong, but none of the videos exceed 5 views. I don't know. It was 3 views, 2 views for 2 weeks. Yes, I said, is that how it works here? And before joining this YouTube space, I didn't know anything about YouTube. I didn't know anything about YouTube. I didn't know that you have to belong to one niche and they have different types of niche. So I was just doing my research. I was doing my research on YouTube, and I'm a kind of person that likes um talking about teaching and all those kind of a thing. Yeah, so I'm a kind of person that likes giving out speech. Yeah, it's not like I'm so good at it, but I try my best. I said, okay, I want to be doing this. I want to be telling people how to grow your YouTube channel. Yeah, that was the decision I made. I bet me that time I don't even have one subscribers. Yeah, none. I didn't have even one subscribers. I said I want to be telling people how to grow your YouTube channel. That is what I want to do. So that was when I chose my niche. That was when I said, okay, this is what I'll be doing, regardless of even if I have more subscribers and everything. So if you are here to throw me that, oh, you're teaching people how to grow your YouTube channel and you don't have subscribers, you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, and you don't have to up to 1,000 views, though I'm getting there. Yeah, I'm getting there because I'm happy that I have these subscribers I have now within a space of 8 weeks. Yeah, I'm grateful for that and I'm happy. That's why I come up every time doing my video boldly and confidently. Yes, I'm not afraid of your trolls. I'm not afraid of your maybe hateful comments or bad comments. That won't discourage me, or that won't make me to stop creating videos or to stop telling people what they need to know. Yeah, so before we continue, if you haven't liked this video and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you become part of my amazing let's family. Dive into another topic. What am I going to say now? Okay, let's talk about my videos I've made so far. Yeah, so videos I started making my videos. I'm still improving, guys. Yes, I'm still improving. So I haven't gotten all the equipment that I need yet for my videos, but soon I'll be ready to get those equipments. Like this new year that we just entered, yes, I'll be getting some of the equipment that I'll be needing for my content creation. Yeah, I'll be getting those equipment. And my videos that I've created so far, yeah, I know some of them don't get views, but within these last few weeks, I think, yeah, I'm beginning to get that views. As yeah, comparing, if you compare my subscribers and my views that I get, I think, yeah, I'm heading there. Yes, if I see my views, I'm happy that, yeah, maybe I'm doing the right thing, or this is working. Yeah, it's working, guys. So about my experience, 8 weeks experience as a YouTuber, I pray and I wish that this new year that we just entered, that I will be, by the end of the year, I'll be monetized. Yeah, that is my prayer, that by the end of 2025, I will be monetized. Yeah, and let's dig into that. Just follow me on this beautiful journey. Follow me on this beautiful journey, and let's find out what will happen next, because I don't know, you don't know what will happen next. So let's find out what will happen next on this channel. So follow me, guys. And again, I don't want this video to be much long. Yeah, I just want to today I said I'm not going to tell people what to do. Though I have things to tell you, yes, I have those tips to tell you on what I want you to do for to your channel, so that your channel will be getting the views that you want. But today I said I'm going to talk about my experiences. I'm going to talk about things that um made me to start this YouTube journey. What made me to start? I think one day I was scrolling on Facebook. Yeah, I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw one video, yeah, that if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you should start growing your YouTube channel. I can't remember really what the video was all about, but I said, this YouTube channel, maybe I think I can do it. Oh, yeah, maybe I think I can do it. I said, okay, let me do it. Let me start up this content creation thing and know if that works for me. So I decided that I'm going to do it. That's why every day I make sure I strive to do my research. I do research every day on what works best. Yeah, I do improve on my channel. If I get idea, I try it on my channel and know if that works before I start telling people, okay, look at what you should do. Look at what you do. Yeah, that's what I do, and I said, okay, I think this will work. I think this will work, and it's working, guys. It's working, yeah. And I'm hoping to continue this journey. I'm not, I don't want to back out. I don't want anything to stop me from this beautiful journey that I've just started. Yeah. So I just pray I won't back down, because I don't want to. Yeah, and thank you for your advices that you have given me so far, because I do see comments, yeah, in my comment section that I should try to improve on this and this. Yeah, thank you for your candid advice. Thank you. I will try to improve. Yeah, I will try to improve, and I'm still learning. Yeah, I'm still learning that about everything, and I hope to learn more. Yeah, so that is it. I have a lot of experience that I want to share, but due to I don't want this video to be so long, I think I'll be cutting the video. Yeah, I think I'll make part two of this video, or I don't know yet, but it depends. But I think I will. Thank you guys for sticking by. Thank you, my amazing subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you if you have been watching my videos since I started this YouTube journey. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Yes, I hope this new year will be better for all of us. I hope we'll find and get all that we prayed for in this new year. So, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, my amazing subscribers. Thank you for being part of this amazing family. Thank you for always liking my video, for always commenting, dropping your nice comments. It gives me joy. Yes, it gives me joy whenever I see those things. Thank you very much. Thank you. I don't take it for granted. I don't take any for granted. See you on my next video, guys. Thank you. I love you. Mwah.